Hello kids, how we doing? We got Dave the Hat Man here and Phoebe, who's got her bone and she's chilling out, so we're gonna leave her be. So Dave the Hat Man, I mentioned it in my ramble. He picked up this this old set with the cheetah and the cobra, just like Adam did. Adam picked that set up for $40 because he sucks. And Dave, this lady initially listed it for $800, right, Dave?
Yep.
Here, I'll let you tell the tale.
Yes, $800, and then she went down to $300, and I got it for $250. I think I got a good deal.
You got a hell of a deal.
It's a mystery box because it's got some extra stuff in there too, and that big box below is full of stuff.
Yep. So we're gonna unbox this bad boy right here now on this kitchen table. So here we go. So we're gonna have two tracks we can race on now, which we're kind of excited about.
Coming in the future, I still have tables to build.
Yeah, well, you know, whoop, shouldn't do that.
Now I know what those little red tabs is to hold the track together.
It's got the initial
Carrera 132
manual and
supply.
stuff, which is really cool.
So, as I was digging through this to begin with, too, I saw that there might be a power supply in here that's 124 and 132. And I'm not sure, I don't think that comes stock, so I'm hoping that there's upgradable stuff in here.
Oh, them guardrails is broken up. Oh, this is the old digital system. Oh, so maybe they got a new one too, and that's why. Yeah, this is the old digital system. It's a little different how you program the cars in. But you can always get an upgraded one if you want to. Yeah, you've got the 4 lane things. I don't remember exactly how you do it, but yeah. I would take all that last piece out. Right back in, you know what I mean? There's the cheetah. We're gonna have to order all new tires, it seems, but that's okay. Looks pretty good, so he's gonna have to repaint this, or make Adam repaint his.
Yep. Silver. We got a silver cheetah.
Dude, that'd be really cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one's nice. Okay, here's the other one. And here's the Cobra. Looks just like Adam's. No driver, no windshield.
Oh,
It needs tires too. Phoebe's playing with her squeaky ball. It looks like its front bumper's even broken in the same spot, it looks like. And the rear bumper's gone, but you know, again, it's a heck of a deal. So that's cool.
And then there's that old school power supply in there.
Yep, there's the old school CU. Lots of guardrail stuff. A lot of the guardrails is broken and all that, but you know, we all know those things are kind of brittle anyway. All right, and then there's another box with more stuff. And here's the cool shit.
Look at that, I got a Torino.
Oh, that's a really cool color.
Bad looking Torino right there.
Yeah, that is nice. Definitely a bonus. And here's the money car. Look at this, you guys.
Old 57 Chevy Racer.
These are kind of hard to get, correct? Anybody know, please put in the comments. I think those are a tough car to get, as I recall. And a bunch more track pieces, it looks like.
Yes.
More guardrail. What a haul.
Lots.
I'm excited. We're going to have multiple tracks to race on. That is going to be cool.
And lots.
And I got extra track too if you need it.
And lots.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot of straights. Holy cow, that's a lot of straights. Which you are going to need. Oh, and a bank corner. Yep. Yes. Nice.
Yes. Now I'm going to have to sit and figure out how to make a track or what design.
I'll show him how to use the software thing. He's going to need some R2s because those are all R1s.
Pretty excited.
Yes. Congrats to the Hat Man.
Metal.
Yes. Very metal. So that's his unboxing of his used track for a very good deal, and a lot of stuff there and extra cars and all that good shit. So congrats to Dave.
Yay. Guys, have a great night.
All right. See you later, Stock Cowboys. Race on.